In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your video in CapCut. You can see here that I have an example of a text showing over a video. So what we're going to do here is recreate this so I can show you exactly how I did it. I'll start by closing this, and then I'm going to create a new project. In this project, I'll pull in the video, and this is the video you saw earlier. And I'll click the plus button to add this video to the project. Next, I'm going to click text up here. And under here, you can see it says default text. Let's go ahead and add that. You can see now we have the default text over here in the video. First thing we're going to do is change the text to say what we want it to say. And what I have here is going to say, take a moment to just be. I'll break this up a bit. Okay, so take a moment to just be. Now let's go ahead and edit this. We can do this by making sure we're still clicked on the text. And over here, you see different font options, as well as so many different things you can change here. You can change the style, the pattern. That's things like bolding the text. That's probably something we want to do. You can underline it if you want. We're not going to do that. You can increase the font, or you can just expand it to be bigger over here. Either way, it's gonna get bigger. What I'm gonna do now is select the font. Let's go ahead and select this font right here. It's called Basic Italic. And once I do that, I'm gonna expand this, make this a bit bigger. All right. And I actually would try to increase the font size as well. Does about the same thing. Okay, and this is how you can add text to your video. You can also go into animations, and over here you can actually give it some different animation options here. I think I have one in my favorite, which is wipe right. So that's pretty good. And you might even give you some audio feedback when you add it. So this is what it looks like right now. Take a moment to just be. Actually, the audio is coming from the video. So I'll go ahead and mute the video, and I'll play this right now. You can expand this back and forth however long you want this to stay on. Just for some editorial purpose, you can actually make this look a bit more nicer. I'm gonna make the background a bit more darker just so the text pops out a bit more. And yeah, this looks a lot better. Just take a moment to just be. All right, thanks for watching this. And if you found this useful, feel free to like and subscribe.